Lawmakers now wants to take away their pension if they're convicted of crimes. Preet Bharara told the state's Moreland Commission on Public Ethics that is his goal. However, one very important thing stands in his way: the state's constitution. Capitol correspondent Pat Bailey explains why even that might not stop him.
Are you innocent?
Yes, sir.
In the past 7 years, more than 30 state-level officials have been arrested, 5 state lawmakers this past legislative session alone. Under current state law, all will one day collect a pension. A federal prosecutor calls that a slap in the face to the taxpayers who pay them. Right now, the state's constitution says any New York employee who is collecting a state pension can keep it, whether they've been arrested, convicted of a crime, or are even sitting in prison. U.S. Attorney Preet Bharara says he wants to change that, and he has 3 ideas of ways to go after lawmakers who have been convicted of a crime and take away their pension. In front of the state's new Moreland Commission on Public Trust, Bharara testified saying convicted politicians should not grow old comfortably, cushioned by a pension paid for by the very people they betrayed in office. So my office has adopted a new set of policies. Here is what Bharara wants to do: levy fines that would be consistent with one's pension payment, use pension payments toward restitution, and scale back the pension amount accrued during the time a lawmaker was committing a crime. Bharara says federal law allows for his office to do that.
Any way we get to the bottom line that you can't profit from your wrongdoing, I agree with him, and we ought to move quickly to do it.
Senator Neil Breslin of Delmar has legislation to change the state's constitution, but it's stalled. He says after watching his colleagues being arrested, the issue can no longer wait.
If the U.S. Attorney can find different ways to effectuate it at an earlier time, I'm fully supportive.
U.S. Attorney Bharara has already started the process, informing Senator Malcolm Smith and Assemblyman Eric Stevenson he is coming after their pension. No word on who, if anyone, is next. In Albany, Pat Bailey, CBS 6 News.
Well, you might be surprised to learn some lawmakers actually favor changing the state constitution to cut off pensions for those convicted of a crime. Find out who they are tonight at 6.